Goeiedag, good day. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope you are well. Vandag se woorde wat ons gaan oefen hou verband met die tema van vorms. Now today's words we're going to practice relates to the theme shapes. Nou, ons gaan hierdie 2 keer doen en elke keer herhaal jy die woord na my. Now we're going to do it 2 times and every time you're going to say the word after me. Are you ready? Okay. Cirkel, vierkant, driehoek, hart, ster, oval. Baie mooi. Well done. We're going to do it one more time. Are you ready? Okay. Cirkel, vierkant, driehoek, hart, ster, oval. Baie mooi, well done. Thank you so much. Ek hoop jy het 'n lekker dag verder. Totsiens.